Hello, my name is Tyler, and I am with my friend Nicholas,
Hola, amigo. I am Nicholas. Repeat.
and we are gonna have a pun battle. I'm gonna go first. I guess I caught you red-handed nosing around.
No, I've got you orange-handed nosing around.
That was so bad that I think you need to stop lighting it up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the light up.
Well, we are a little green with those excellent cameras over here.
Hey, come on. Let's not spoil it for them. I think we need to stop lighting the red up.
I think the whiteboard should be getting a job.
Aw, dang it, you caught me red-handed. Yes, I won.